Hey guys, welcome back. It is a rainy day here at the ranch, so what better thing to do than to make a wristwatch Wednesday video. Today we have the Casio MRW-200H, something like that. I'll put a link in there or put it in words down here because you know me and my model numbers, I screw them up all the time. But this, I believe, is the perfect beater watch. You can pick this up for, if you look really hard, for 15 bucks, on average $20, $25, $30. This watch is my go-to daily when I'm out working in the yard, cutting down some trees, cutting down limbs, mowing, painting, housework, whatever. I always have this on. This thing just takes a beating. And as I show you in the video, I can go ahead and clean it up and get it looking just about good as the original again. But yeah, this is a budget style diver watch. Has a rotating bezel. I screwed up and said it wasn't in first, but you'll see I corrected that. It's just a great everyday beater. You should add this to your collection. Nice analog with date function. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about what I think is the perfect beater watch. This is the watch I wear whenever I'm doing work outside, cutting trees, replacing siding, painting, any of the work that I do around the house. This watch I always have on my wrist because frankly it's tough. Let's get a little information about this watch. The module in this watch is a 5125. Hands do glow. Dial is not move, it's stationary. Okay guys, I was mistaken. My watch is so gummed up, but it has actually, the bezel does rotate, so is a rotating bezel. There's my fix, retraction, whatever you want to call it. But yes, the bezel does rotate. It's all resin, metal back, 4 screws. Pretty much the just your basic cheap analog watch with a date function. So there is a bit of a complication to it. Love this watch, absolutely wonderful. As you can see, if you look at the crystal, I have some paint, scratches, or whatever on it. And what I love about this watch is the ability to bring it back. I can take a small bit of polish, put it on a cloth, and get it cleaned right back up. And there we go, good as new. Well, maybe not new, but much better than what it was. This watch it takes a beating and just keeps on going. Love this little watch. Highly recommend you pick one up. I'm sure you can get them at Walmart, any other place. Again, module on it was 5125, model number MRW-200H. Let's get a couple of details on this watch. Case size is about a 42 millimeter. The lug-to-lug width, that's about a 45, 46, and the lug width itself, that's going to be about a 20 millimeter. So not a small watch, not a huge watch, decent size. I say it's just right for my 7.5 inch wrist. But there you go. There's the details on that. Kind of reminds me of the Weekender a little bit, when it has the 24-hour dials on it. Probably, you know, just a nice, cheap-made, durable watch. Like I said, cleans up really well. Easy to change the battery. Nice, basic, wonderful watch. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Hope this video helped you out a little bit. Sorry I've been on vacation, slow getting back into things, but we're gonna keep these watch videos coming every Wednesday. So like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take a look at the other ones we have in store. I get watches in here all the time and go over them as I replace batteries and get them out on the market. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.